guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if you're brand new to my channel. I post menu planning videos at least once a month. Now, having said that, I haven't done one since May, just because summertime was a little wonky. We were away in July, so a lot of it wasn't, there was really no point, I guess, in my opinion. So, but I am right back at it now, and I have been busy, and I will be posting a blog post shortly within next day or so, and you will be able to get these printables there for your own menu planning. So I have created a monthly blank monthly meal plan with just days of the week, so like Monday through Sunday, and I did not fill in the dates, so you can fill that in. Then I also have a weekly meal plan designed the way I meal plan, which I meal plan for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and these are great for, especially for back to school, if you want to plan out your breakfast so you're not scrambling in the morning trying to figure out what you're gonna prepare for your kids or for what your family is gonna have for breakfast. My kids don't typically eat cereal. Cereal is something that they might eat maybe once or twice through the month on a weekend, but most of the time I try to have nutritional breakfasts for them. So that's why I've created that. And I work from home. I run a home daycare, so I like to have my lunches planned out as well. I know that some people like to plan out their lunches even if they're working out of home, because it just takes the guessing game on a weekly basis out. And then I have my dinners. I am starting to really put thought into salads for dinners, because I find myself making very simple salads, most of the time Caesar salad, because that's the one that my kids for sure will eat. They will eat all of them, but they'll complain for a lot of them, and the Caesar salad they never complain. So I find myself gravitating towards that salad, which is not necessarily the most nutritious salad out there. So that's what I'm going to be doing that on weekly rather than monthly. And then there will also going to be a grocery list. Now, I have designed this grocery list based on my needs, but some of you might find it beneficial as well. So all these three will be free on my blog, which is linked down below, but it's domesticdiva76blog.com. So make sure you check it out if you want to see the printables, and I will kind of go over in the blog pretty much what I'm gonna do here, so you can read it as well. So I have already started doing some planning just to kind of shorten the length of the video, and what I have written out is just new recipes that I want to try out. And then over here on a side, I am just writing down, because I want to really focus this month on meal prep, because school is almost here for us. It's after Labor Day, so it will be like what, 3rd of September. So I really want to, like I said, meal prep, and I want to get back into more healthy eating. I myself have been doing okay, but I know that my kids through the summer don't do so well with healthy eating. So instead of buying granola bars, buying cookies and things like that, I want to bake one item every Sunday for them to have for the week. So that is what I wrote out over here for them. They go to work, they have extracurricular activities, and having snacks is needed. So along with the fruit, just giving them something more substantial that has maybe protein or a little bit heavier and maybe in good fats, so it keeps them full for longer, just things like that. So that's over here. So I've got no bake energy balls. I do 21-day fix, so I have blueberry muffins, pumpkin brownies, banana peanut butter cookies, and oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, and they're all made healthier. So And I can share some of these recipes with you if you wish, so let me know down below. So then the day of the recording this video is the 1st, so we are eating out. Tomorrow we're having burgers because I'm doing interviews for my work in the evening, so I just needed something really quick. I have been craving steak, so I put it down for Saturday. And then Sunday and Monday I don't have any. I am not sure. I think Monday we probably won't need dinner because it is a civic holiday for us here in Canada. Nobody's working, so we would like to do a beach. So most likely different menu for that day. Maybe I do a picnic at the beach or something like that. So I have to figure that out some other time. So I need dinner here. And then I found a recipe for buffalo chicken wraps. My kids have developed a liking for buffalo sauce. So I found some chicken wraps, lettuce wraps. So I will be trying that recipe. And then I have a baked pesto and Parmesan chicken and crock pot French dip sandwiches. I will be doing lettuce wrap for myself, and I will do buns for the kids. And then, so these are just new recipes I'm going to be trying. Then I'm doing Italian crock pot chicken and potatoes, slow cooker enchilada chicken, and Instant Pot garlic Parmesan chicken. So I want to be sharing some of my crock pot and Instant Pot recipes, so this is why and I want to incorporate them for fall just because they're much easier for me to prepare them with my business. So now I need to figure out what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the time. Over here, we are away camping, so that will be a completely different menu. I'm going to do a garlic shrimp here, and I'm gonna do white fish here, trying to get back into fish, and then salmon. And over here we're eating out because it is a Saturday before the school starts. Sunday my son works. So I would like to take them out for dinner, maybe to celebrate end of the summer and reflect. Then I'm gonna do burgers here, sausages here. I'm gonna do pork tenderloin. And as much as I use Pinterest for recipes and things like that, we also buy meat in bulk. So I like to go and look at what I have left and make a menu based on that, so I can use up the meat before I buy new meat. I think I'm gonna do barbecue chicken thighs, and then if we do picnic on Monday, I can maybe take some chicken for a salad. I'm going to put burgers here. I have my homemade burgers, and we didn't make a lot, so they do need to be used up. And I think I'm going to do steak here as well, actually on Monday, just because we have steak in a freezer. I think we still have pork chops too, so I'm gonna put pork chops here. I'm gonna do tacos, and I'm going to do turkey Thai wraps, and maybe I do chicken burritos here. I know they're not my son's favorite, but you'll just have to get over it. I'm gonna do chicken kebabs here. Actually, I'm going to do chicken kebabs here. I'm gonna do chevapes here. There. Chevapes is assortment of ground meat put into these little links and seasoned with salt and pepper and I think garlic. And you make it, you can put it in a bun, or we just eat it along a salad, mixed salad. So I think that's it for the month, and now I'm going to transfer the month into my weekly meal plan. So I have already written out what's it called, so I wrote out, but I'm going to delete it because this is the beach day. And then So I will make the soup on Tuesday, and it's a vegetable soup. I shared a recipe in my Cooking Clean With Me vlog. I will link it in a corner. And this is nice because it gives me enough to put in a freezer for next time or have it a couple times. But then on Tuesday night dinner, we are doing the buffalo chicken wraps. And I'm going to make a creamy cucumber salad to go with that. And then for lunch on Wednesday, I will have enough to do buffalo chicken again. I will make sure I do enough. And then on Wednesday is pork tenderloin. I typically don't like to eat that for lunch, so I will just have vegetable soup, quiet. And then on Thursday is garlic shrimp, and I will just have a salad with hard-boiled egg. Oh no, oh, I messed it up. Okay, so on Thursday is baked pesto chicken, and then garlic shrimp is on Friday. And then on Saturday I have crockpot French dip, and lunch will be salad of some sort because it's Saturday and it's kind of grab whatever you want. And then I'm going to have on Sunday burgers and probably the French dip for lunch. Now for breakfast, on Monday we'll have yogurt parfait, and I just do some granola, mixed fruit, and then plain yogurt that I just sweeten with stevia. On Tuesday I will make oatmeal, and then on Wednesday will be omelet. Actually, I'm going to do omelet on Thursday because both of my kids will get up for work, and then Wednesday we'll have smoothies as well as Friday. And then Saturday is fend for yourself breakfast, so pick whatever you want. And then on Sunday I will make pancakes because I have ran out of freezer pancakes, so I'll just make enough for that morning and a couple more, big batch. So this is pretty much what my weekly menu plan looks like. I am also using the new Erin Condren teacher plan board for planning out my lunches for daycare because during the summer we kind of wing it, so that will be a separate video. I will kind of just go into details how I plan out my daycare lunches. Now one thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to write on my grocery list. I'm not going to take you along for this long video to show you how I do that, because but I just wanted to kind of show you that this is what my month is done, and then I just do weekly planning, and then I figure out my grocery list and off to the grocery store I go. Well, I hope you like this video. I hope you find these sheets useful. I promise you I will have them up within the next couple days. Check back for the link, or keep checking my Domestic Diva 76 blog, and they will be in there. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to press the subscribe button, stick around, press the notification button so you don't miss out any of my new posts. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.